family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Uthando Nesthembu. As season 8 of the highly popular Uthando Nesthembu reality show continues to develop, dedicated and long-term viewers have made some concerning observations regarding Musa's firstborn son, Mpumelelo's personality and mindset. Uthando Nesthembu has been a popular show amongst the South African audience and has seen viewers watching each cast member growing both physically and mentally over the past 7 seasons. Since its inception, the show has been characterized by various family drama involving the wives and children, which those running the show has capitalized on, as viewers have admitted that it was kept them glued to their screen. It appears the Mselegus have mastered the art of reality TV, as their show has become a talking point every week after each new episode, aired every Wednesday and Thursday, with the main character and the head of the family falling ill to the extent of needing hospitalizations. Things have been shaky in Mzumbe as everyone looks to point fingers at someone else as the culprit behind Musa's current state. Musa's firstborn son, who he shares with his second wife, Nogukanya Mayeni. Yeni has quickly emerged as the show villain, as viewers have believed have been inspired and encouraged by his father throughout the years. There have been a few instances and scenarios that Mpumelelo has done or said something eyebrow-raising and worthy of concern, including an incident narrated by the fourth wife, Mangwabe, where Mpumelelo questioned the paternity of Zinande, her daughter, which she shares with Musa, claiming that Zinande's features did not resemble those of the rest of Musa's children. This, among other instances, left a bitter taste in Mangwabe's mouth, as she did not appreciate Mpumelelo's insinuations. With this being the most recent incident, viewers have stormed social media to voice their frustrations with Mpumelelo and Musa. Firstly, with Musa, as they believe that Mpumelelo turned out this way because of Musa's enabling. These users have compared Mpumelelo to Siyacela, who have emerged as another national villain due to his actions towards his wife and family. Secondly, viewers have voiced their frustrations towards Mpumelelo, as according to them, he has proven that he is not willing to listen or respect any of his father's wives, including his own mother. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.